Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about acute case. Though homeopathy is well known for treatment of chronic case, but it is as effective in chronic case as well as in acute cases. And for beginner, it is very important topic, acute cases, because you know uh, at initial days of our practice mostly acute cases approach you. So treatment of acute cases give us a confidence, because in acute cases we get instant results. So art of prescribing in acute cases is give us a confidence. It make a foundation of our practice. And prescription in acute cases should be very precise, because we have to give results within some minutes or hours. There is no more time. Suppose patient come to us for fever, then within 12 or 24 hours we have to treat that fever. So our prescription should be more precise. In acute cases it require knowledge of materia medica repertory as well as our individual experience regarding acute cases. I remember one case that baby come to me uh, always with complaints of respiratory respiratory complaints, uh, cough, coryza, rattling in chest. I prescribed medicines like Bryonia, Pulsatilla with less or more relief. But that baby was not going to cure completely. So I advised her to do X-ray chest. In that X-ray, I found that bronchitis is marked. So I worked out that case in this way: bronchitis in children, infant, with other complaints. For example, if there is a case of child with acute bronchitis, rattling in chest, associated with irritability or sleepiness, medicine is antimatter. It never fails. Such types of prescription we should know in which case which medicines is very well marked according to pathology of case. In acute case, as we know, exciting cause is also very important. For example, element from getting wet in rain rush talks, element from exposure to draft of dry cold air, aconite, element from loss of fluids or loss of blood, china, element from trauma or blunt trauma, arnica, element from suppressed discharges, coryza, diarrhea, etc., bryonia. So, in this way, cause or exciting cause is very important in our practice of acute cases. Then, modalities and concomitant is very essential part of acute cases. Again, many time what happen, patient tell us just about their complaints. I have cough, headache, nausea, pain in abdomen, etc. And they don't tell more details about their complaints. Then it is our art to take more details of that cheap complaints. So we should have some questions to explore that complaint, acute complaint. So we can take help of generals to understand acute. For example, how is your appetite in fever? How is your sleep in fever? How is your perspiration is in fever? For example, we can take helps of generals during treatment of acute cases. For example, patient is sleepless during fever, then remedy is aconite. Patient is hot, thirsty, sleepless during fever, sudden onset, indicate aconite. So some concomitant are very prominent in some particular medicines. For example, though headache is a common symptom, but it is very characteristic concomitant in cases of belladonna. Whenever there is a headache or throbbing headache, first of all, we should think of belladonna. Is it there? We can compare all symptoms with belladonna, and if belladonna agree the case, then we can prescribe belladonna. But this clue is very important. For example, fever and constipation as a concomitant, bryonia. Fever with anxious restlessness, hot patient, aconite. Fever with small quantities and small intervals, and patient is very anxious and desire to be carried fast. He want rapid recovery. Medicine is arsenic. So exciting cause, concomitant modalities, and pathological factor, these things are very important in prescription of acute cases. Thank you.